This video, I'm gonna be installing one of the wigs that I bought from Shein. I bought it from their buy one and get one free promo around November. They did says you pay for one wig and you get 99% off the second wig. So it's a 16 inches tip-part coiling wig. I paid around 60 cents. Second wig is a body wave wig and it's a glueless wig, which I absolutely love. Came pre-plug, cords. It was just so beautiful, and I want to see what the coiling wig looks like. This wig is a tip-part wig, so it looks like a frontal wig. As you can see, we only have little lace here. This kind of wig is really easy to do because it's almost laceless. You don't have to do too much. You do less work to do strongly with light. I think the hair is dry now. Let me take the bun off. Go ahead to apply the darker shade of my contour. I want your lace to look like your natural hairline. You use the darker shade of your powder, not your face powder, not your foundation. Contour powder is darker than your foundation. Use your contour powder. Look, that's the trick. See? I think I'm done with this wig. I do not like to over customize my wig. I can't believe I got this wig for free, like 60 cents, and I love the fact that I can actually pack it up. That was